Okay, thank you for watching our first video on sort of why a 3D tour could be useful for you. This one gives you a little bit more in depth what you're going to get, what we send you, how it's used, what it's good for. So my company, we've been delivering 3D tours now for the property market for the past 4 years, right up into the millions of pounds worth of property that we've made 3D tours and media for estate agents to sell, and they've sold. So you know, we've been using this technology, we've been using this equipment to sell millions of pounds worth of properties. So that's a little bit about what we've been doing to now. What we're looking at doing for commercial companies, commercial properties, real estate, is making that connection. So 3D tour is great for getting people to see what your physical space is like, how they interact with it, how they feel about your physical space. And you know, you guys spend a huge amount of money making your retail space, making your shop feel right for your customers, and it's such a waste not to get that in front of as many people as you can. And that's what we're looking at doing now. So one of the first things, once we've created your 3D tour, is we link that directly to Google Earth. Google Earth is... So here we are on Google Earth, and we can see we've got the pin drop on Mansfield Hosiery Mills. So we can hit that pin drop, and then from there your 3D tour is available under Street View and 360, and that takes you directly into your 3D tour, which is live on Google Earth. So now everyone can walk around what you have directly on Google Earth. This particular space, we uploaded it a few days ago. In the first 5 days we had an email from Google saying it had hit 1,000 views. So I'll just pop that video in now, just showing you that we'd hit 1,000 views. We've done no other advertising for this space, we've just put it on Google Earth and it's collected 1,000 views. Directly from Google Earth, and people can physically walk around. This is the Google Earth model. So we create you a 3D tour, we save that on our Matterport hosting, and then we upload a version onto Google Earth for you. It's all done, you don't have to do anything, and that is what then is viewable on Google Earth. So then the next thing we will show you is what we give you as well as that. The next thing you'll get is a Matterport hosted 3D tour, which has actually got a little bit more depth and detail in and can do quite a few more things. So if I jump onto the Mansfield Hosiery Mills 3D tour, this is what it will look like. We can full screen. This is what your Matterport hosted 3D tour will look like. So this one's is a much better resolution than on Google, because Google sort of slow it down a little bit because it's massive. And there's some extra bonus features on this that are really powerful for your business. So here we've got a meta tag. On these meta tags we can load in your physical location so people can find you. We can also load in price lists and you know, blurbs and descriptions. We can load in photos and we can load in videos. We can also load in connections to emails. This is one of the aerial photos because it's a huge place, so we took some aerial photos of this one that we've got on Mansfield Hosiery Mills. This is a little list of things that they've got. So we can connect people into booking forms and your Facebook pages, your Instagram pages. We can upload, if you want to do a short presentation on video, we can upload that into YouTube and then connect in. So you're seeing one of these videos via a YouTube connection. So you've seen that we can do that. I think we've got a price list somewhere as well, and a way to contact in this physical 3D tour. So this is then a funnel to get people to make more connection with you. But this version is what you will have the ability to advertise from directly to your client base. So as part of that, you'll get, we'll send you a little photos bundle of really nice photos that we grab while we're there. We're great at that. That's what we do day in, day out. And we will also then give you a few other things. So if I show you this sheet here, we'll embed it onto Google Earth for you. That's what we do for you. We'll come and we'll create the 3D tour, and we'll guide you on what to do and how to book that in. Your 3D tour in Google Earth is embedded on Google Earth, and then we give you the Matterport, with the access to the Matterport 3D tour that's live hosted from us, and that can be shared. So what you'll get is this sheet. We'll create this sheet for you, so you get all the information at your fingertips, really simple, really easy, and we will then send you this across, which will give you your shareable link. This shareable link that you can see here that I'm highlighting, I'm grabbing something else. This shareable link here, you can send it as a text message, you can send it in your emails, you can send it on Messenger, you can post it on Facebook, Instagram, all the social medias will all accept it, your LinkedIn, and you can output the Matterport version with all your tags, with all your links, connecting people to your booking sites if you want little videos on there. We send you this, and that little piece of web address directs people directly into your 3D tour of your shop, which is then your funnel. We also send you web page coding, so that looks a little bit like this. What you then, if you've got a website, you can then permanently link in your 3D tour in an iframe, so it's not a pop-up, it's a permanent frame connection in your website that works really quickly, doesn't slow anything down, works really quickly to connect people into your 3D tour directly from your website, which is brilliant, because then if somebody's looking at your website and they're thinking, well, is it a nice place, I can see a few photos, they can drop into the 3D tour and they can really feel your environment, and that will then link them onto booking pages, and it's a great funnel. We then also send you one of these, a QR code link. So I've got them printed out here so I can show you just how easy we've got them. So if you do flyers, mail drops, mail shots, physical print, business cards, we will send you one of these already created. It's in your little pack. Anytime that you have a flyer drop or a business card, print one of these on it, and then anybody with a smart device, so it could be a tablet. I've got a tablet here to show you that it's for the size of it, but anybody with a mobile phone can do this, and you just scan the QR code, and from there it is then going to open you up and link you into your 3D tour. So you drop a small A5 leaflet through someone's door, or you do a mail shot, whatever you do, and that's got 1, 2, 3 pictures on it. This QR code puts them into your retail space in full Matterport, this massive HD file with all the tags, with all the extra information that you want in, the booking pages. Just from that small leaflet, you've physically got someone digitally into your shop. It's a great little tool. We use this on all our business cards, so I've printed it really small to show you that you can fit it. It will still scan. You can fit it on a business card. Our web page, we've got a 3D tour gallery, so if you wanted to go on our gallery, I'm going to put you on our 3D tour gallery on our webpage, and we're actually going to be promoting that webpage. So it's just another little bonus. We'll drop you on that, and we'll sort of advertise that our webpage out there, so you'll appear in our list and people can see your space, and it's just another small way that you're putting yourself in front of people that would have never have seen you before. So that's the bundle of stuff that you get. The Google Earth is the headline smash hit of what you're going to get from having this 3D tour. It gets in front of people and it engages. So some of Matterport's official blurb is it's 300% more engaging than just some photos. And at the moment we're offering it at this smash hit price for free. We'll come and do the 3D tour for free. We then host that for you on Matterport, link it up onto Google Earth for you, send you the detail sheet, so then you can use the various bits of code. You can put it on your website, you can send the code on text message, on email, on Messenger, you can put it up on Facebook. It's easy content on Facebook. You just clip it out there and you can grab screen grabs from it. We'll send you some photos as well. It'll go on our gallery if you want to. And we're doing the actual visit for free, creating it for free, and then from there we're asking just for a small monthly fee to host it and to give you that package. So that monthly fee is around £14, and it will stay that way. We're going to do an 18-month on that. So get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. And if you've got any questions, any concerns, you should be viewing this from our YouTube, and there'll be links on to contact us, links on the description to contact us. If you've come from our webpage, there's a contact form on our webpage. You may have seen this directly from a 3D tour, so there'll be a contact from us to us on that 3D tour, and this is all ways that you can connect to your clientele via your 3D tour as well. So yeah, give us a contact if you're interested in hearing what we can do for you.